Top 5 Skincare Hacks for Clear Skin. One. Wear SPF every single day. Apply a good layer of SPF before applying any face makeup including your neck. SPF will protect your skin from all the harmful rays, which are damaging and dangerous. 2. Clean your makeup brushes. Makeup brushes can accumulate bacteria, which can lead to breakouts. Make sure to wash your makeup brushes at least once a week with brush cleanser or baby shampoo. 4. Clean your phone with antibacterial wipes. Because of all of the environments and germs the phones are exposed to, these accumulate a lot of germs. Makeup can transfer on your phone and transferred makeup can become bacteria. Clean your phone to protect your skin from unwanted bacteria. 5. Silk pillowcases. Sleeping on a silk pillowcase can help your skin stay healthy and smooth and can help reduce the appearance of facial wrinkles. Also, silk helps keep moisture and will help your skin stay more hydrated than many other fabrics. Try these hacks. Are you ready? Please subscribe Darla for future makeup tips and advice. 2 minutes life-changing makeup tips and advice. Darla.